Hi everyone, welcome to Database Analysis and Design. Today we can see how to work inner join and insert into in SQL. This is the order what we are going to do today. To explain inner join and insert into, we use SQL and we can run it to see the result. First question, list all rows in the action table in ascending primary key. And also show these columns only. What are these columns? Employee ID, employee name, activity ID, activity name, week number, and hours work. We use this SQL code for that. First, select the necessary things. From the relevant table, several tables are used for it. This is the action table and employee table. Inner join writes the SQL and it is similar to what is done by where. You can see that. Select the column names from action, inner join, and on. Finally, the order in which this data should be displayed is shown. This ASC here, and it means to display the data in ascending order. There is another one which is DESC. It makes the data in ascending order, but it's not used here. And we copy paste this code into PySQL Junior and execute to run this. And this is the result. It also depends on how many rows are shown at the end of the result. You can see that 43 rows selected. Let's see next example. Write SQL insert in statement that attempt to add the data shown to the action table. And this is the table. It also has the data. So this is the SQL code. Insert into is used for it. And select the relevant attributes and enter the result. That means data. And we must use semicolon, commas, brackets, and we copy paste it into ISQL Junior and execute. Now it shows us some errors. When from this code, it shows us some errors because it shows us where the errors is, and it is an advantage for us. Then we can fix it right here. So the mistake here is the primary key. You can see that the primary key is parent key. You can see the screen. Parent key not founded. Where is the error? Error is at line number 1. Primary key should be given when making the table. Given like that, this code is correct. Now we can know what is the role and we can make it in SQL code. That means the primary key should be introduced when creating the table first. And also I want to say, after run this code, it isn't shows us the result because of those errors. There were errors in some places, but we can manage it because when the code is run, it shows what is wrong. Similarly, when write this SQL code, we need to choose exactly what the exact statement is and what kind of answer we want to get to this. That is the biggest challenge in SQL. So it is necessary to do it properly and convert into a correct code. We explained about inner join and insert into with 2 examples. I hope you have understand about this. See you next time. Thank you.